All right, team. This is your host, Charles Becco from Brooklyn Traders, and today we are going to give you an urgent market update. All right, so we know what happened, right? Russia invaded Ukraine, caused all kind of craziness. We've been going down. As soon as we had the invasion officially declared, which was yesterday, we kind of pulled back and then we bounced. Today's Friday, February the 25th, and we're getting a nice little bounce here up to the 8. Okay, so that is looking pretty good. The daily MACD here kind of fixing itself. Looks like it kind of wants to potentially cross over. Okay, so I would say things are still very much bearish. Here on the Qs. Okay, we're just looking at the NASDAQ futures because my Q chart looks kind of crazy. All right, let's look at things from a weekly perspective. Again, we came down here, hit the weekly 89, bounced like a devil, exactly like you should. I think the most important chart here is going to be the monthly, right? The monthly, I believe, is more important than them all, okay? What happened yesterday is that we hit the monthly 21, and we hit the monthly 21 on Wednesday. And on Thursday, we kind of went under it, which was yesterday, and then we kind of bounced much higher, okay? So market is kind of middling right now. I mean, it was up as much as almost 1.5% here on the Qs. The SPY and the Dow is doing much better, but again, the trouble is in the Qs, right? And so if you look at this QQQ chart, right? Again, this chart has a lot of busyness on it, so just try to keep up, okay? As you can see, you got a monthly MACD cross down, right? And that just does not happen, right? You get a monthly MACD cross down after a big uptrend, a monster run like this. I mean, you could expect some kind of trouble, right? Again, we were already in a monthly short setup. We went through the monthly 8. We hit the monthly 21, and team, I'm thinking we could go much lower than this, right? And so a few bounce days here. So enjoy, the quick bounce up here. But again, just be very careful, right? Apple, again, the best chart in the market, right? And so if things are going to fix themselves, right, we're going to see it first here with Apple and then with everything else. But again, Apple, you see here, even though we're getting a nice bounce day, right? You see this MACD histogram is actually lower today, even though we have a great bounce, right? So think about this, right? Histogram is lower, right? Price is up there. So that is bearish divergence, right? And so the weekly time frame is very bearish. The monthly time frame looks kind of bearish. If I had to say, team, I would say this monthly chart on Apple, again, this is the last bastion of strength, in my opinion, in the Qs, right? The fangs that have been holding up the market. As Apple goes, we will be surely to follow, right? And so, a little trouble here, right? So, I'm more angled to believe that we could go lower, but again, anything could happen. But yeah, this does not look good. Okay, my opinion is to sell the rip. All right, so that is your market update. This is Charles Becco with Brooklyn Traders signing off. Hey, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. If you enjoy this content, please check out our website at www.brooklyntraders.net. That is www.brooklyntraders.net. Thanks, and God bless.